think I'm happy, very happy, obviously, because there were a lot of good players that were nominated, and I'm happy for me, for myself, for the club, for my family, for my friends, for Nigeria, and the fans in the city of Genk.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uya trend uMihlali waKaNdamase ngemva ukuthi kutholakale phela boyfriend yakhe lesi kade ithanayo currently. We know ukuthi Mihlali Ndamase was dating uLeroy Sedambe. Amthathele bani uMary Jane because he was married and their relationship ended in tears. Sana la kugqine khona aseba-exposana bakhiphelana ntigaca. We know ukuthi ama-celebrities lawa mabahlukana guys nje bahlukana abakhiphelana tigaca ba-exposane bakhiphelana ama-secrets, but anyway asikho lapho sindlulile lapho omusa ngithi okay fine. So Mihlali Ndamase is in a relationship with a Nigerian football player ligama lakhe Toluwalase Arogodare. Hey Kosami. So the guy is 23 years old and he's a football player. He's a star. Kesana abantu labamatiko bayasho ukuthi cha ungiqhwepheshe lo mfana lona nje ibhola dinvo takhe uyayishaya ibhola akayishaya uyayizebhula. Also he's dating uMihlali Ndamase. And kuthiwa uma kwaMihlali uyatifela ongumkhwenyana bathi nje akawuvali imlomo angayo. And the guy is even following a family yonke kuma-social media yaMihlali kukhombise ukuthi their relationship it's solid oyatiwa anabadali. So people are saying ukuthi hayi wena girl wena Mihlali, as long as mfana ngakashadi siya approve athini say country, because we know ukuthi wena uyabathanza labo kufaka tinsimbi etandleni. As long as lona nganayo insimbi esandleni mthathe una noma ngabe unangaki noma ngabe una 20 noma ngabe una 23 noma una 16 saluthatha wena. Thina sesibonga nje ukuthi uphumile okulaba abokufaka tinsimbi etandleni. So thina nje sithi aqhagele go ahead. So kwaba namunye ke lo wabangoma uyayona ngalesikhathi ba approve abantu ukuthi hayi Mihlali finally uze wathatha umuntu lo single wangena girl wathi hayi ngiyamati mina mfana lona busy ngema-hookup. So lo girl ulabantu labayabo bema laba queen of the nights man siyabathi laba shama business abebusuku. So expose kuGuy ukuthi hayi bo Guy Guy nje umuntu wethu Guy ngeke uzumane uthi uyamclaima uthi wakho Guy utithanzela kuthi hookup phela. Bantu bathi hayi wena uthini manje ufuna kusitshelani? Wavele wayekhipha gele tenza abataSibari wethu washo ukuthi hawu Sibari udidlela thini. Ngalesikhathi nje abantu basa-uploada kuMihlali ukuthi hayi Mihlali finally uze wakhetha kahle waphuma emadutheni alashadile. Gele wabona ukuthi ngcono expose mjita asho ukuthi naye akasiyisenthi lo utithanzela kutithengela lo uyatisebenzisela imali atitholele nje tindombi tasebusuku. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.